Hi everyone, Mandy here from Hunt Gather Hair Company with another Hunt Gather hair tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate a super simple up style to get your hair out of your face. This is an excellent up style for everyone that is working on the front lines right now and is having to wear personal protective equipment. It's really easy to pull your hair apart when you're putting on and taking off your masks, and this will stay in place really well and help you to not have to be continuously touching and adjusting your hair so that you can keep your hands away from your face. I'm going to demonstrate the look on a mannequin head for you guys so it's easy to follow, and I'm going to use very few products so that it's something that you can translate at home really easily. Now, this style will work on all hair types. If you have wavy or curly or kinky hair, I highly recommend dampening your hair a little bit and using something a little bit stronger than a hairspray so that it'll hold all day. I recommend using a gel or a mousse or a paste. My favorite for really curly or kinky hair is the Davines Medium Hold Modeling Gel. This stuff is amazing. It has excellent memory. It creates a really nice shape, but it has a lot of control. So I'm a big fan of this when I want to make sure that that curly hair is going to stay away and in place. If you do not have curly hair and you have more fine or straight hair, you can use a hairspray or a mousse. What I like to use is a finishing product, which is the Davines Extra Strong Hairspray. It's really strong and it will help that hair to hold all day. I use this often for a lot of my brides and bridal parties when I want to make sure that hair is going to stay. Okay, so I'm going to get the mannequin head ready over here and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I hope you all have a safe and happy weekend and look forward to seeing you guys again soon.